students are explaining some science concept in terms of their projects. It's really awesome. And the way they explain the entire solar system, they also included the moon mission, which is Chandrayaan-3. They're explaining how the satellite is launching to the moon, and all other concept of the Milky Way is really the depth of the knowledge. Their understanding of the knowledge is really remarkable, and best of luck for them for the future. Thank you.
First of all, I thank NPS complete management team for organizing all these things, because when I am here, keep checking about the science technical words. That really amazes us, and we feel proud ourselves, because our kids are talking about science fiction so well. So thank you so much, and all the best. All the best.
And the first thing is the coordination with the kids is very good actually. The first impression, the best impression for me was as a team they were working, not as an individual. So that itself explains that how much effort has been put across the classroom to bring them as a team. Excellent work. Thank you.
It's a wonderful experience to be here. We learned a lot about the science, that kids have learned so much, and the way you have incorporated it in an experiment, it inculcates their curiosity and helps them learn as well as us. Okay.
We came here for science exhibition, so currently we were in PV. It was very great to see all the kids having so much of curiosity, and they have really done a good job. I mean, kids, especially talking about my kids, very much interested in science. He always look forward to me making him study science, and he asked many questions, so very good job.
It was lovely to see such kind of enthusiasm, and we just wish all the kids have the same platform. So thank you, NPS.
I have gone to the science exhibition, especially the kids at the second standard section, and it was really awesome. And they have, I think, presented the whole human body, and one group all about blood groups, types of blood groups, universal donor, universal receptor. They have covered amazing way. And another group I have seen is Mr. Bone. What I have seen, that is, I think, at this age, they have really covered all the bones, like they are saying the total number of bones and what are the number of bones in facial area. That is really amazing, because at this age, covering that particular area, number of bones is amazing. And also the way the teamwork done and the efforts done by all teachers, really appreciated. And I think another team is digestive system, another team is like respiratory, and different groups participated. It's really amazing. We are very happy and proud of Little Champs. Thanks for the efforts of management and teachers. Thank you so much. Pleasure watching everything, and we have so many to cover actually. Again, I will be back to you. Thank you so much.